Another of our favourite topics, the merge and why we need to life save, and also at one of our favourite junctions for bringing home the point. The student's approaching and is instructed over the radio to be monitoring his right mirror for any aggressive overtakers and before the merge to use a right life save. Depending on what happens, it always leads to the student asking, did I do the right thing? They may have kept out the way of an aggressive overtaker or, as in this case, had time to move dominant and prevent the car from overtaking. The answer, of course, is it depends. In this case, the action was correct. The car was far enough behind for the student to take the action, otherwise the car would have ended up squeezing alongside the rider in the queue. But if the car had been any closer when the student had life saved, then he would probably have been better off letting it pass. Click like if you've learned something, subscribe for more videos from 3 Counties Motorcycle Training, and stay safe.